One thing that sets us apart from our competitors is that we have a design studio dedicated exclusively to our clients. Every one of our clients will have a minimum of 3 visits to our design center. On your first visit, you'll focus on choosing the exterior elements of your home. This could be whether you want to do wood siding, or stucco, or a stone finish, whether you want to paint it a specific color. And all of these things will have to make sure that they go through your architectural committee for your HOA, or for whatever area you're building a home in. After that, you'll also choose a garage door, a front door, and any rear doors for the house. On your second visit, you'll get a chance to go through everything from bathroom tiles for the floors and the walls, to countertops for kitchens and bathrooms and any outdoor eating areas, to paint colors for the walls, the different types of flooring for every area of your home, and the light fixtures, plumbing fixtures, door handles, and all the other appointments in your home. On your third appointment, you usually come back just to confirm your selections and find out if everything is going to be available in time to complete your home. And that should be the final appointment that you have.